What college do you go to? USC. What's the minimum amount of work needed to get into USC? Have daddy donate $500,000. What are the minimum grades needed to get into Ivy League? Depends on how much money daddy has. What does VZG mean? It's a secret. How old are you? 20. What's the hardest part of the college application process? A 3 or tie between the SAT, AP classes, and college essays. Do you like anime? Yes. If DBZ and Avatar Last Airbender count. Should I take the SAT even though all the colleges I'm applying to are test optional? Yes. Test optional is not the same as test blind. How was your first year of college? It was hard. Got around 4 hours of sleep every day but still had fun. What advice would you give high school seniors struggling to pick a major? Pick something that lines up with your application. How long did it take you to get adjusted to college? About a semester. Are you happy at USC? Yes. Would you recommend USC over UC Berkeley? It depends on your major and finances. USC was cheaper for me and I felt more at home there. What were your grades like in high school? I had a 3.91 unweighted and a 4.2 weighted GPA by the end of senior year. Who's your most memorable teacher? My 7th grade math teacher, Mr. Savage. Are you single? Yes. What's your favorite snack? Sour Skittles. Do overachieving middle schoolers have a chance of getting to an Ivy? Definitely. Lastly, do you have any high school regrets? If so, what is it? Just one. Taking AP chemistry.